Hello, Lance. Nice to meet you in cyberspace. This will be some video feedback on your rough draft of your ad, your full page ad. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to text me or email me, given both my email address and also my number elsewhere in the class. I look forward to seeing how you animate your ingredients. Lance, I wanted to go back to this. This is your mask from week 3, because I think it illustrates your concept really well, and you have distorted it. You've made a thing out of it, and I just only recently really appreciated the silhouettes of the couple in the glass. So I guess what I'm suggesting is that you make this the focus of your ad. I don't think you need much else. So I see the other parts of your submission, including the Adobe Illustrator file. I think the glass was taken on it looks like a tile floor or a tile, and when I saw it in your ad, I almost interpreted it as a tiled floor. In this context, I see everything else about it. Is there any way that you could maybe retain some of this tropical greenery? This looks like a backyard, but and not distort the glass, have that couple silhouetted in it, but maybe bleed the image top and bottom and side? When I go to open up your file in Illustrator, Lance, it's prompting me for images, some of which I have, like I think I do have this summer JPEG, others which I don't have. So I'm just going to click through those to ignore them. Why is this so blurry? Know that in your files you can actually place high-res images. You can embed them in Illustrator. The other thing is, to link to them. But if you were to go to print this out, say to Kinko's, you would have to bring those with you if you link to them. So perhaps better to learn how to embed them for the time being. I'm glad that you put some dummy copy down. It gives you an idea of how much you've got, how much area I guess you have to work with. And I think it's good that you're starting to consider your type hierarchy. It looks good to me. Just perhaps be more extreme about the contrast to scale. Well, let's see if we can do that. Oops. So perhaps, and that also limit it. I would limit it to maybe 3 sizes of type and no more. Make sure that you use all of the logo from the style guide, which includes the typographic parts too. And I'm thinking that you probably don't need to repeat the logo twice. Keep it small. Be careful about the margins of things. Be careful about running it off the bottom. And not remember this is a print publication. It's trimmed. So whatever you do, I wouldn't run it very close to the bottom. And let's see if I can bring this to the forefront. I don't know. This would have to be high res. See, this way, you capitalize on what you've done with the cocktail and the reflection of the couple inside. It's okay also to obscure part of the logo if you repeat it elsewhere, but maybe you can make the logo smaller. Just suggestions. Minimal ingredients. Not sure about these line art, these brackets. I like the asymmetry of this rectangle, and I encourage you to maybe capitalize on that too. It makes it more interesting. But I think you have the ingredients. They need to be the proper resolution. If you use this on the here and figure out how to embed it, I think you're well on your way to creating a professional object. Lance, I think I'll leave it here with this lovely mojito in view. And again, don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need any help.